5 reasons you should advertise on Facebook. You are losing out on the potential sales because you are not using the Facebook ad. Number 1, reach a large audience. Facebook has over 2.9 billion active users worldwide, so you can reach a massive audience with your ad. Number 2, target ads by a specific demographic. You can target your ads to the people based on their age, their gender, their location, interest and behavior and many more. Number 3, track your result. You can optimize your results. You can optimize your campaign by tracking how many people are seeing on the ad, how many people are clicking on the ad, and how many people are converting into the lead. Right. Number 4, get creative with your ad. You can capture attention and keep people engaging by using text, image, video, and even interactive content in your Facebook ad. Number 5, use A/B testing. A/B testing is a great way to test different ad variation to see what works best and improve your result and advertising budget. Thank you.